What is the name of the world's largest delta formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers? The Sundarbans is the world's largest delta, formed by the confluence of the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers before they flow into the Bay of Bengal. It is famous for its vast mangrove forests and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site shared by India and Bangladesh. Which river passes through 9 countries of Europe? The Danube is the second longest river in Europe and is famous for flowing through or bordering 10 countries, including Germany, Austria, and Hungary. It serves as a vital international waterway for trade and transport across Central and Eastern Europe. The Volga is the longest river in Europe but flows entirely within the borders of Russia. The Elbe flows primarily through Germany and the Czech Republic, covering far fewer countries than the Danube. The Rhine is a major commercial artery but passes through only 6 countries, mainly in Western Europe. Which feature is formed by the falling of river water over a vertical step in the river bed? A waterfall is formed when a river's water falls vertically over a steep step in the river bed, often created by the differential erosion of hard and soft rock layers. This feature is characteristic of the youthful stage of a river where vertical erosion is most prominent. A gorge-like valley is a deep, narrow valley with steep sides but does not necessarily require a vertical drop of water. C. A plunge pool is a deep basin formed specifically at the base of a waterfall by the force of the falling water. D. A V-shaped valley is a general valley form created by downward erosion in mountainous regions. Which mountain range is the source of the Rhone River? The Rhone River originates from the Rhone Glacier in the Swiss Alps, specifically in the eastern part of the canton of Valais. It is one of the most significant rivers in Europe, flowing through Lake Geneva and southern France into the Mediterranean. The Cottian Alps are located on the border of France and Italy and serve as the source of the Pio River. The Valda Hills in Russia are the source of the Volga and Dnieper rivers. The Black Forest in Germany is the source of the Danube River. What is the name of the range that separates west and east flowing rivers in Australia? The Great Dividing Range is Australia's most significant mountain range and serves as the continent's primary watershed. It separates the rivers flowing east into the Pacific Ocean from those flowing west into the Murray-Darling Basin or the interior. The Macdonnell Ranges are located in central Australia and do not serve as the primary continental divide. The Himalayan Range is located in Asia and is not part of the Australian continent. The Flinders Ranges are the largest mountain range in South Australia but do not divide the major east-west river systems of the continent. The Indus River originates from which mountain range? The Indus River originates from the northern slopes of the Kailash Range in Tibet, near Lake Mansarovar, at an elevation of about 5,180 meters. It flows northwest through the Ladakh region before entering Pakistan. Which river is extensively dammed for irrigation in Tamil Nadu? The Kaveri River is the most significant river for irrigation in Tamil Nadu, often referred to as the Dakshina Ganga or the lifeline of the state. It is extensively dammed, most notably at Mettur, to regulate water flow for the vast agricultural lands in the Kaveri Delta. What do the major European rivers deposit in the North European plain? Major European rivers like the Rhine and the Elbe deposit rich alluvium across the North European plain as they flow toward the sea. This fertile sediment makes the region one of the most productive agricultural zones in the world. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.